That line broke up real quick.
I don't think that was part of.
No, it isn't.
I think that's part of the show.
Unfortunately.
I don't think that was supposed to happen.
Kuş saldırıyor.
Bird's like, I want somebody.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
It's fighting back.
Hey Matt.
Kaç.
Oh, you get away. You can do it. Hit him one more time. Hit him one more time.
He's like, hurry up and kill it so I can eat it.
He's like, is it dead yet? Because if it bites me again, I'm gonna bite you.
Hold on.
That lion came out of nowhere. See, that's what it can do to us. See?
Küçücük kuş.
That was so cool.
Jump out of nowhere.
Throw another bird in there.
Oh my god!
That bird does not give up. That bird does not give up.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
You said it, Mama?
Come on, Dan, let's go. It's still fighting.
I can see.
I like that. It was a show.
They don't get the cat.
It's like a kitty
Oh.
Now he's on top of the...
Yeah, this is mine.
Dead now. Oh yeah. Lion. Here you go, Anthony. Lion.
Get it, Papa.
It is now. It wasn't earlier.
Poor little guy.
That's what to do with it.
Papa, it's not even in the bucket, Papa.
Oh, it's slightly alive.
The feather in his mouth. They'll never fight, right?
I've heard of it.
He wasn't hungry.
Where's the other one at?
The other time was
Oh, there.
You saw how he caught it though?
Huh?
You saw how he caught it?
I didn't see.
Oh my god.
It was grabbing the head, but I didn't need to call.
Wow.
Yeah. You ain't gonna get much meat out of that.
Where are the zookeepers?
You think they're gonna go inside there?
Let me get that.
I want to roll. Yeah, that guy, he got all mad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
What do you say?
So you should teach your kids a little more respect with dad.
He must have been stupid.
She dropped it in the car.
It's a bird. Peter, you want?
Like, what does he think they eat? Hamburgers?
Dolphin free tuna?
They eat tofu.